It's no secret that finding the right stocks to invest in is the holy grail of stock market investing. The problem, that's much easier said than done, especially over the long haul. With thousands of stocks across global markets, including hundreds if not thousands of overvalued ones, how do you identify the ones worth your time? That's exactly what Investing Pro's Stock Screener solves. It lets you filter through thousands of stocks in seconds using over 167 investor-graded filters and more than 1,200 metrics. In this video, I'll show you three things. First, how to use pre-built popular screeners based on proven investment strategies. Second, how to build your own custom screens from scratch with advanced filters. And third, how to save your screens, customize your view, and export results for deeper analysis. Let's jump in. To access the stock screener, first open Investing Pro. On the left-hand menu, look for Screener and click it. This takes you to the advanced screener interface with all the professional tools. The easiest way to get started is with popular screeners. These are pre-built filters based on proven investment strategies used by professional investors. Right at the top of the page, you'll see options like Piotrowski's picks, based on Professor Joseph Piotrowski's research that delivered 23% annualized returns over decades, or high shareholder yield, which identifies companies returning cash through dividends and buybacks. Let's click Piotrowski's picks. Instantly, Investing Pro analyzes thousands of stocks and shows you only those that meet all 9 criteria of the Piotrowski F-score, which is strong profitability, healthy balance sheets, and improving operational efficiency. Then you can view results through different lenses. If you're accessing the Pro dashboard for the first time, the default shows Market View with Investing Pro's fair value estimates, financial health scores, and other essential metrics. But you can click the tabs on the right to check risk or efficiency-specific metrics, or create your own custom view with exactly the advanced metrics that you care about. So speaking of which, let's build a custom screen from scratch using Investing Pro's advanced filters. I'll show you how to find dividend-paying value stocks in the technology sector using metrics that you won't find on the basic screeners. Let's add our first filter, market cap. I want large cap stocks, so I'll set this to greater than 10 billion. Next filter, sector. I want technology stocks only. Click Add Filter, search for sector, and select technology. Now here's where the power of Investing Pro really shows up. I'll add return on equity greater than 15%. This is a measure of how efficiently companies use shareholder capital. This is in the advanced metrics. For valuation, I'll use Investing Pro's fair value downside filter. Stocks that are trading at least 10% below their calculated fair value. This is Investing Pro's proprietary model analyzing multiple valuation models. And finally, dividend yield greater than 2% for income generation. And look at that. Investing Pro has instantly filtered thousands of stocks down to 18 large cap technology companies that are undervalued, that have strong returns on equity, and that pay solid dividends. And each filter updates in real time. So what makes Investing Pro different? You get access to 1,200 fundamental metrics, not just the standard 20 or 30. That includes 10 years of financial statements and proprietary quality scores, Piotrowski F-score for value investing, Benish M-score for detecting earnings manipulation, Altman Z-score for bankruptcy risk. These are research-grade metrics built right into the screener. Now let's talk about managing your screens. First, let's customize what we see using Investing Pro's 1,200 available metrics. Click the Add View button to create a custom view. Enter a title for the view. I'll add revenue growth, debt to equity, and Investing Pro's financial health score, a proprietary metric that grades companies from 0 to 5. Perfect. Now I can see Investing Pro's proprietary scores alongside traditional metrics. And you can click any header to sort. Let me sort by financial health score to see the strongest companies first. And if you found a screen that you like, you can save it. Just click Save in the top right and name it. Let's call this Tech Dividend Value with strong fundamentals. And it's saved to your Investing Pro account. And you can access all your saved screens anytime from My Screens. And if you want to analyze these stocks in Excel, click Export and download as a CSV. All of your filtered stocks with all of Investing Pro's metrics are ready for deeper analysis. This export includes the proprietary scores and 10 years of historical data. And a quick pro tip, every screen is saved in the URL, so you can bookmark it or share it with colleagues who also have Investing Pro access. So now let me show you one more quick example using these advanced filters. Let's find small cap growth stocks in healthcare with strong financial health. Market cap 100 million to 2 billion, sector healthcare, revenue growth over 20%, financial health score of 4 or higher. There, 15 healthcare companies with strong growth and solid financial foundations, scored and validated by Investing Pro's models. And click on any stock to see the full Investing Pro analysis with pro tips, with fair value breakdown, and with detailed financials. Link in the description. Check out our other Investing Pro tutorials, and happy investing.